Have you ever wondered about the intricate mechanics behind our defense system? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the Korwa Ordnance Factory, a crown jewel of India's defense production capabilities. Our story begins in the heart of India, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Nestled in the picturesque town of Korwa, lies an immense establishment that plays a pivotal role in fortifying the nation's defense, the Korwa Ordnance Factory. This factory, a marvel of engineering and technology, is known for manufacturing small arms for the Indian Air Force. From the outside, the Korwa Ordnance Factory may seem like any other industrial complex, but within its walls lies a world of precision, innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship. The factory employs a diverse group of skilled individuals, each playing a crucial role in producing top-notch weaponry. What sets the Korwa Ordnance Factory apart are its state-of-the-art facilities and relentless dedication to quality. Here, every single component undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks, ensuring that the end product is nothing short of perfect. It's this commitment to excellence that makes Korwa's products a sought-after name in the defense sector. But the Korwa Ordnance Factory is more than just a manufacturing hub. It's a testament to India's self-reliance in defense production. Over the years, the factory has played a significant role in reducing the country's dependence on foreign imports for small arms, a feat that deserves recognition and applause. To summarize, the Korwa Ordnance Factory stands as a beacon of excellence in India's defense sector. With its advanced facilities, skilled workforce, and commitment to quality, it continues to strengthen the nation's defense capabilities. This is not just a factory, it's a symbol of national pride and resilience. So the next time you think about our nation's defense, remember the Korwa Ordnance Factory, the unsung hero behind the scenes, tirelessly working to safeguard our skies and borders. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the impressive world of the Korwa Ordnance Factory. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world around us.